I'm Tori from Got Beauty, and this is my beautiful model, Monique. We just did a spread for SLC Magazine on how to enhance your eyes when you have a hooded eye. So we're just gonna get started. This can be less than 5 minutes, so easy. You can do it at home. You can always come into the store, and we're willing to help you with details and pick out your coloring. So I'm gonna go in with a base, and this is going to be Wink from Jane Iredale. I'm just packing it on my powder brush. I'm gonna go all over the lid. You just want that smooth base. Perfect. This has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it definitely enhances it. And you know, they say shimmer you should stop wearing after a certain age, but I don't think that's true. So then we're gonna go in with another palette. It's called Berries and Cream. It's a compact, 2 colors. It also has a soft base color, but we're gonna use the brown. I'm just gonna take another powder brush and we're just gonna compact a little bit of powder onto there. And we're gonna just go into the corner lightly. And you're just gonna get that crease in the corner. Now we've already done Monique's other eye, but we just wanna show you what the finished look will be. So once you hit that corner, you're just gonna fan back and forth, just a sweeping motion. Perfect. And that's all it really takes. It's a simple fix. And always, I like to go in and clean up anything I've done, just in case the shadow, you don't want it to look droopy. So you're just gonna clean up the corner. This just has a little bit of our Jane Iredale concealer on it. And then to really enhance Monique eyes, we're gonna do a small liner, and then we're gonna cover it up with a lash strip. So I'm using our Palladio flat line liner, and we're just gonna do a straight line across her lid. I really like Palladio's flatline liner because it's even keel, it's smooth as butter, and you're not gonna have any mistakes really. That's how easy it was. Now of course I've been doing it for years, so sometimes it's a little easier, but practice makes perfect, and we always have pros to help you out. So then I'm just gonna go in with a little brush, and we're just gonna do a little shadow underneath the eye, just to open it up even more. So just right under the waterline. Just adding depth to her eye. Monique has lovely, beautiful blue eyes, so we definitely want to enhance those. Then I'm just going to take our Ardell lashes. And we're just going to do a simple lash. It's called Delicate, just on her top. Now lashes are a thing, they take some time. But we also sell magnetic lashes, so you'll find what's perfect and easy for you here. So yeah, now we're just gonna go in with some mascara, and Monique will be complete. An easy look, all you need is a nice lip to add to the look, and you're good to go. Perfect. And there's a few tips to fix your hooded eye. Thank you.